Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your Huawei Y7. This is the model LDN-L01. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to turn off our device. Yeah, that's it. After that, press and hold volume up button and power button together. Keep holding until the phone gonna be wake up, then release power button still holding volume up. So let's get started. Press and hold both the key. Release power button still holding volume up as you see. And keep holding until you're gonna see the special utility menu from you're gonna go to the hard reset. If you miss it for the first time, you can repeat the operation, of course. So one more time, press and hold volume up, power button, keep holding. Release power button, keep holding volume up. Yes, release volume up button, and as you see we have a few options. We can navigate by pressing volume down to wipe data factory reset, accept by power button, go up and write yes, because all of your data will be erased and all of the pictures, message and many more will be restored to default, so it's gonna be deleted. You have to know that. Okay, now done. No, accept by power this option, wipe data. Now go down one more time and power by reset, and as you see it's gonna be doing right now 200%, and after that phone will wake up with any password and passcode on the phone. So you have to just wait a few seconds, I think, until the phone is be completely done the hard reset. It's really important that you have to charge your phone before do this operation. It will be safe if you charge the phone 100% before you do that. It's very important to avoid the drop down of your phone because it can be damage your software. Okay, now go to reboot system now by pressing volume up, accept by power, and voila. Now your phone will stop with any password and passcode on the phone, and be sure that every of the files are gonna be missing and deleted from the phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!